What's up everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to repair this bolt in the tire with this kit right here. So first of all, I'm going to take out the bolt with this screwdriver, that screw. Then I'm going to use this tool right here. Then I'm going to use this right here. So first of all, I prepare the tool right here. Then I'm going to apply this when I'm going to put it in the tire. And yes, now I'm going to show you. So when you have everything in like this, you're going to take out this tool the fastest that you can, like that, and then we're going to apply this again in here. So then you can leave it like that, or you if you want you can cut it, but I'm going to leave it like that. As you can see, I repaired the leak. So yes, I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.